Welcome, low ego action heroes. This is Debbie Levitt from deltacx.com, and I get tagged in a lot of posts on LinkedIn where somebody wants to know my opinion or reaction to someone else's post that says design thinking is good or design thinking is bad, or here's a definition of good UX and here's a definition of bad UX, or this is what CX is, but this is what UX is, but this is what UI is, but this is what product design is. And I think the easiest way to answer all of these questions all at the same time is to roll out this model and say, hey, is this meaningful, actionable, or helpful? If it's not, just stay away from it. You don't have to press like, you don't have to comment, and you certainly don't have to summon me. Is this post's content meaningful? Is it clickbait? It's probably clickbait. If it's meaningful, that's great, but it's probably clickbait. It's probably somebody collecting likes or hoping you'll connect with them. So again, look at it critically with your critical thinking. Don't make me put this hat on. You want to make sure that this is meaningful. Otherwise, if this is just debate to have debate or fake thought leadership, keep on going. Pass it right by. Let it sink in the algorithm ocean. Second of all, is it actionable? What can you go and do because you saw that post? Nothing? Is there nothing you can do? Did it help you with anything? Did it solve anything? Is it something you can take to work and try? No? Because it was clickbait? Or because it's somebody just trying to stir the poop and get people debating design thinking or debating the importance of design? Well, walk on by. Or third, is it helpful? Does it raise up CX or UX? Does it get us more understanding or autonomy? Is it going to get us respect and understanding, or is it going to get us less respect and understanding? For example, one of the reasons I dislike design thinking is because I believe it evangelizes itself. It doesn't make user-centered design or human-centered design more understood or respected. Design thinking gets everybody excited about design thinking. So is whatever post you're thinking of, is it helpful? Is it a shortcut? Is it a shortcut we shouldn't use? Is it everybody's a designer, which has nearly 100% bad short and long-term outcomes? So think about the outcomes of whatever somebody has posted or suggested, like UX juniors should be production designers. Really? Nobody wants that. I don't want that for juniors. Why do you want that for juniors? They don't want it for themselves. That's not helpful. Ignore it. Let it sink to the bottom of the algorithm ocean. So whenever you see stuff out on the interwebs, put on that critical thinking hat, not that you should ever take it off, and ask yourself, is this meaningful, actionable? It's over here. Meaningful, actionable, or helpful? If not, sail on by. And on that note, I hope this has helped a little bit. You can subscribe here and you can empathize with the like button over here. You can join our Slack channel, which is totally free, and of course optional, tip jar. Thanks, and see you in the next video.